So I hope you guys are doing well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going through the entire Lush Easter range of 2025. Honestly, I cannot quite believe we are already going through this range. I feel like this year is coming and going so incredibly fast. So without further ado, as always, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So as always, thank you so much to lush.scents on Instagram for all the info, all the photos. Let's dive in. Honestly guys, I have seen a lot of these items. I went to an event recently, if you guys didn't see the vlog, and we got to see and smell pretty much everything in this range, and when I tell you it's incredible, it is incredible. Let's go through the items. I am so excited. Anyway, the first item we have in the range is the Run Rabbit Race Bath Bomb. This one is going to retail for £9. This one is Citrus Are Doing It For Themselves scented, which is grapefruit, lemon, myrtle and lime. I won't lie to you, can I remember if I smelt this one? Absolutely not, I have no idea. But what I will say about this design, it's not my overall favourite. The ones where they're kind of in the little cars with the little people aren't always going to be my favourite. I don't know why, I don't gravitate towards them, but perfect for children, and also you can use it in more than one bath. So an absolute win in my opinion. The next item I absolutely loved when I saw this one at the event. This is the Easter Bonnet Reusable Bubble Bar. I love the look of this one. From what I can remember, it smells absolutely delicious. So this one is going to retail for £9.50. I won't lie, this seems quite expensive. It might just be me, maybe prices have gone up a little bit, but this does seem a little bit more on the pricey side. However, this one is Love or Fizz Banger scented, which is bergamot, lavender and lemongrass. So good. The next one we have is the Cheap Bath Bomb. This one retails for £3.50, so it is cheap. Good one. Anyway, this one is What's Up Doc scented, which is bergamot, lime and violet. From what I remember, this one was a relatively small little bath bomb. It was really cute. It was really, again, inexpensive. And I think if you do want to get yourself a couple of the Easter products, but you don't want to spend absolutely loads, this one is a great one to go for. Plus, it looks really cute. For some reason, I thought it was a chicken. It is a chick, obviously, because it's Easter, isn't it? Wait, is a chick? A chick is a chicken, isn't it? Oh my god. A chick is a baby chicken. Why did I say it was a duck? I can't remember what I said in my video. I said it was some sort of bird and everyone was like, it's a chick, Melody. I was like, oh yeah, that makes sense. Anyway, moving on. The next item we have is a returning product. This is the Baby Rainbow Carrot Reusable Bubble Bar. Did I say carrot really weird? Carrot doesn't sound like a word now. Anyway, we have had these ones before. These ones are going to be £3.75, and of course they are carrot scented, so bergamot, buchu, lemon. They are basically available in a bunch of different colours, but they all smell the same. They all do the same thing, and they are all £3.75. So yeah, I can't remember actually how much these were last year. If any of you guys can remember, please let me know down below, because I'd be intrigued to know, have they gone up in price? I don't know. The next item we have is another reusable bubble bar. This is the Chick on a Stick reusable bubble bar, and this one is absolutely adorable. It's a teeny tiny little chick on a stick, obviously, with the shell on his head. So cute. This one is going to be £7, and it's lemon, myrtle and lemongrass scented. Apparently it's a new gourmand lemon scent. Absolutely delish, love that. Then we have the Easter Bunny Bath Bomb, which is giving golden egg vibes with all the glitter, so I'm absolutely buzzing about that. This one is going to be £10, which seems relatively expensive. However, this one is Which Came First scented, which is grapefruit, lemon, vanilla, and it contains a carrot shower gummy inside. How exciting. Maybe that's why it's a bit more expensive. Also, maybe it is a bit more on the bigger side. I can't remember if they had these at the event or not. I don't remember seeing them, so I'm really excited to see what that one looks like. The next item we have is the Fab Egg Bubble Rune. This one is absolutely beautiful. It is giving golden egg on steroids. I absolutely love the look of this one. This one is going to retail again for £10, and it's crackle scented, which is clove bud, labdanum, lime and orange. Am I going to like the scent? I don't know. I'm personally not into woodsy, earthy scents, so that clove bud might make it a little bit more on the kind of spicy, woodsy side, but I'm excited to smell it nonetheless. It looks beautiful. The next item is is the Surprise Bunny Bath Bomb. I, again, love the look of this one. It's so simple but so cute at the same time. This one is going to retail for £5.50 and it's groovy, kind of love scented, which is rosewood, bergamot and ylang ylang. I love that. That is a new product as well, so I cannot wait to try that one. And then we have the Follow the White Rabbit Bath Bomb. This is a returning product from last year. I absolutely love this product. It's the same kind of vibe as like Toby's Magic Cow, and we also had one at at Christmas, did we? That was kind of similar. I love this kind of design anyway, where it's like a white bath bomb with a rainbow on the inside, so I'm really excited about this one. This one is going to retail for £4.50 and it's carrot scented, which is bergamot, boot shoot and lemon. Love it. The next item, I'm not gonna lie, is the weirdest thing I have ever seen, and it is a returning product, and I think even last year I just didn't get it. I don't get the joke. I don't understand where this comes from. If you guys understand it, please let me know. But this is the Eggs on Legs Bath Bomb. This one is going to retail for £12 and it is the Comforter scented, which is bergamot and cassis and cypress absolute. I love the Comforter smell. I love the look of this one. Do I understand it? No, I absolutely don't. And it is £12. I think you can use it probably in 2 or 3 baths, so that's really exciting. But yeah, I don't get it. Someone explain it down below because it's just going over my head a little bit. Of course, this would not be the Easter range without having the Golden Egg Bath Bomb Melt. This is an absolute OG product. I think they even had these when I started working for Lush, like back in, I don't even know what year it was, like 2015. Was it 10 years ago? No, surely not. Maybe it was. I need to check. Anyway, they have had this bath bomb for so long and it smells just so incredible. It smells like Honey I Washed the Kids, so it's like toffee, caramel. It basically smells like you could eat it, and this one is going to be £6. If you don't like glitter, do not buy this bath bomb. Say it with me. If you don't like glitter, don't even bother. It is so glittery, but it's amazing at the same time. I will say though, it's not as glittery as it used to be. Like, these used to be lethal. At work, you would open the box, just dust of glitter, just everywhere. I think now they've changed it and it's more of like a shimmery kind of vibe, so it's not as strong. However, you're still gonna get glitter on you, so if that's not a bit of you, maybe don't go for that one. Okay, next up, let's move on to some shower items. The first one we have, guys, you are going to be screaming because I had so many comments on this product on my video that I just thought, you know what, you guys are gonna be obsessed. This is the Posh White Chocolate and Rose Shower Gel. I am so excited. I need a bucket of this one. So this one price-wise will be £11 for 100 grams, £22 for £2.90 or £35 for 500 grams. And of course, this is the Posh White Chocolate fragrance. So it's chocolate, sandalwood, rose and vanilla. I've smelt this. It is delish. Honestly, trust me. Just buy a little bottle of it and thank me later. It is so good. The next item we have is a soap, and this is the Nice Buns Hun soap. This one is going to retail for £7 and it's gingerbread house / Mercury retrograde, I can't say that word, hold on, my brain isn't working, Mercury retrograde scented, which is ginger, lemon, boot shoot and cinnamon. Would I look at this and say this is going to smell like cinnamon? Is it screaming cinnamon? No, if I'm being honest, I thought it was going to smell like ultraviolet bubble bar. However, I'm still excited to see it. It looks beautiful. I think this was also at the event, but I cannot remember ever smelling it, if I'm being honest. So yeah, I'm excited about that one. Price wise, that one is also going to retail for £7. I'm not sure whether I told you that or not, but it will be £7. Then of course we have the Wash Behind Your Ears shower gel. This one again is a returning product. Price wise on this one, it's £10 for 100 grams, £21 for 290 grams or £32 for 500 grams. And obviously this is the Wash Behind Your Ears scent, so it's jasmine, neroli and rose. Love it. A product which I am so incredibly excited for. This is the Easter Turtle Shower Jelly. What does Easter and a turtle have in correlation? I have absolutely no idea, but this is so adorable. Again, they had this at the event and it looked so sweet, and I really want to get one, even though I'm not the biggest shower jelly kind of gal. Like, I really want one of these. This one is going to be £7.50 for 100 grams, or you can also get a 220 gram version, which is £15. And scent wise, this is Temptation / Apple Crumble scented, which is apple, myrrh, orange, flower and cinnamon. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. I am so tired. Anyway, moving on. Another jelly coming out for the Easter range is the Froggy Friend Shower Jelly. This one again, is so cute. Like, look at him. I absolutely 100% need to get one of these. It's absolutely adorable. Should I say absolutely anymore? Absolutely. Anyway, this one is going to be £13 and it's baked Alaska scented. So that's lemon, myrtle, ylang ylang and grapefruit. Obviously this is a brand new product, but scent wise we have had it before. And yeah, both of these together, the jellies, so cute. We saw them at the event and I just instantly knew I wanted to pick them up. Again, what does Easter and a frog have in common? I have no idea, but I'm so excited. The next item we have again is another returning product, and this is the golden egg shower gel. Price wise, this is £8.50 for 125 grams, £18 for 300 grams, or £27 for 590 grams. I am just so excited about this one. Again, we have had it before. I love it. It is so good. This one is Honey I Wash the Kids scented, so it's orange, bergamot and sweet toffee. But if you want to smell like toffee, caramel and anything edible, this is the shower gel to go for. It is so good. The next item we have is another soap for the range. This is the Rockstar Rabbit soap. Again, this one is going to be £6. We did have this one last year, which was creamy candy scented, and again it is creamy candy scented this year, which is basically vanilla and candy floss. It's very sweet. If you don't like that kind of smell, probably not for you, but I just love the look of this one. It is so cool, so I'm gonna have to get one, obviously. The next item is something really interesting. So this is the cookie dough lip oil. This one is a brand new product and it's a cookie dough flavour, obviously. So this one is vanilla, almond and carob resinoid. I'm really interested about that one. That one is going to be £6 and I've not really tried too many of the lip oils, so I'm really intrigued by that one. And last but definitely not least is the Posh White Chocolate and Rose Body Scrub. I absolutely love Lush's new formulations of the body scrub, so I am definitely going to have to pick one of these up. Price wise, we have £8.50 for 80 grams, £13 for 135 grams, or £26 for 290 grams. Obviously this one will be the Posh White Chocolate and Rose scent, which is chocolate, sandalwood, vanilla and rose, obviously. So those are all of the items that are coming out for the Lush Easter range of 2025. Obviously there will be some gifts and some knot wraps and things, but these are like the main core products which I am just so excited for. Again, I did see them at an event, I did smell them, they smell incredible. Do I want to buy them all? Absolutely. So yeah, let me know down below all the products you're excited for. I would also love to know which ones you pick up as well. And yeah, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, please do, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.